ulit. As always.
Kasi nandito ka eh, kaya... Si Jem.
Here po.
Congrats in advance.
Ako? Pag-pray niyo po.
Those who watched SB19's back-to-back concert at the Philippine Arena last May 31 and June 1 witnessed history unfold as the group kick off the Simula at Wakas World Tour. The Simula at Wakas kick-off was also the realization of the group's long-held dream to see international fans travel to the Philippines to support homegrown talent. SB19's Once Entertainment organized a global fund package to achieve this aim, and the response was overwhelming. Packages sold out in minutes. At the concert, fans who came from the United States, Spain, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, and many other countries were welcomed by the 18 community. International SB19 actors were treated like friends, only meeting for the first time.
Araw-araw, mananalangin kami na ayaw namin mamatay, kaya aming mga
Alam mo, Lord, na magpo-concert ang SB19 sa oras na ito, Lord. Alam mo, Lord, na mangyayari itong araw na ito. Maraming salamat, Lord. We will conquer this place! We can! We start now! We...
This became even more apparent on day 2, when scores of Filipino personalities and celebrities arrived to watch SB19 perform in the world's largest indoor arena. It was not just about showing up to support a fellow artist. It was a desire to be part of something big, something to aspire for, to be proud of, history that cannot be missed. Here are the list of local and international personalities who graced the group's Simula at Wakas World Tour kickoff.
Yeah.
like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though